beauty. It's tiny little one. Yeah. Take it down.
Putting it on the carriage.
Oh, we're getting on.
Yeah, get on there.
All aboard. All aboard. We're watching the fire moon.
So are you Donald? No. He's long past.
We could be twins. Sorry. That was great going through the tunnel.
Yeah.
But you actually, why don't you lean out the window?
Sorry?
If you lean out the window as you come.
Yeah, I was looking out the window.
At least you got your thing, haven't you? Put
Sorry?
your hand through your strap before you do.
Is that what, yeah, that's a good idea.
You don't want to drop it.
Sorry?
In Melbourne, we're allowed to do it on the bottom, really.
Oh, yeah.
We're allowed to sit on the edge and
Yeah.
put their feet out.
Yeah.
But,
Take a film of you. Here you are, Anne. Right? It's very nice scenery, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely, yeah.
Yeah, really lovely.
Yeah.
Surprising.
Follow the river for a fair way.
Yeah.
Then we veer away, goes over to the inland, and we sort of head over to
Where did the track originally go to?
Cairns to here.
And does it still, have they ripped most of it up, or is it still?
We own it between Atherton and Herberton.
Oh, yeah.
22 kilometres of it.
Oh, great.
The rest has been taken up.
Yeah, yeah.
So good thing is we own it.
Yeah,
We can't take it away.
That's splendid.
Yeah.
No, that's why I sent him down to you. Do